Formation of the block mountain and rift valley. Faulting gives rise to well marked relief features. They are called rift valleys or garban. They form the Black Mountains or horsts. Black Mountains evolved due to the letdown of the land between two faults. This caused a long and narrow depression, taking the shape of a valley called Rift Valley or Carbon. The Rhine Valley, the Valley of Nile, the Dead Sea Basin, Red Sea are the important examples of great Rift Valley in the world. The Rift Valley, which have been filled with water, are now called lakes. The Rift Valley lakes of the world are Dead Sea, Nasa, and the Tanganyika. Generally, both the sides of these rift valleys are elevated horizontally. They are divided into rectangular blocks. They form the block mountains or horst. On the Rhine Rift Valley, we find Vossis's mountain or the west side and the Black Forest Plateau on its side. Short-term forces or causal forces. The volcano and earthquakes came into being an account of the causal forces. They cause violent action. Volcanoes. What is the volcanoes? A volcanoes is defined as a vent in the earth's crust out of which hot molten rocks flow. In the core region of the earth, the rocks are found in a molten state. This happens due to high temperature and pressure in the region. Sometimes these molten rocks or magma rise from the below, erupt from the weaker parts of Earth's crust. Thus, the molten rocks pour out in a molten state along with huge clouds of gases and vapors. They look like the fireballs in the dense diffusion of the chemical gases. This process of eruption in such manner is called volcanoes. Volcanoes, shape of volcanoes. The outer mouth of eruption of a volcanic mountain so built is a big funnel shaped hollow. This is called crater. The passage through which the molten rock comes out is called neck. Thus, a volcano is conical in shape. The size of crater varies from a small fraction of kilometer up to a few kilometers. Sometimes the vent is found in the form of a fissure or a long crack. It is called fissure type volcano. Generally, the volcanoes are built by the cooling down of molten lava, but some are also formed by the solidification. This solidified ash is called tuff. Eruption of volcano. Generally, the volcano erupt a big with a long bang. This produces great tremors in the earth. Earth's crust is cracked and great depressions form in it. The fiery stones in the shape of fireballs come out from the crater. Steams along with the clouds of volcanic gases come out very heavily. Sometimes it results into rains. The lava comes out from unknown depth of the earth. It's a liquid state. It burns everything in the way. Through cooling down of these molten rocks, the igneous rocks are formed. Sometimes this molten lava assumes the shape of plateau. What are the types of volcanoes? On the basis of activity of eruption of volcanoes can be divided into three types volcanoes. Number one, active volcano. Number two, dormant volcano. And number three, extinct volcano. Number one, volcano. The volcanoes which erupt the fairly frequent intervals are called active volcanoes. The best example of such volcanoes are Stromboli, Siligi, and Manna Lao, Hawaii Islands. Number two, the dormant volcano. The volcanoes which have possibilities of eruption in future are called dormant volcanoes. The example of such volcanoes is Vesuvius is Italy. Number 3, extinct volcanoes. The volcanoes which are no longer active or have no historical record of eruption are called extinct volcanoes. Fujiyama of Japan and Kilimanjaro of Africa are known as extinct volcanoes in the world. These are the volcanoes. Regions of volcanoes, there are two main belts of volcanoes, Pacific Ocean Belt or Atlantic Ocean Belt. What are the effects of volcanoes on human life? Lava made soil in the very fertile for agriculture. The eruption of volcano brings out of minerals, and in the region volcanoes, minerals, water and hot springs emerge. The sulfur water is medicated and cures the skin diseases. The volcanoes also help in generating electricity. The crater lakes becomes tourist resorts and the lake water is helpful for irrigation. Disadvantages. The main disadvantages of volcanoes are the following. Number 1, the volcanic eruption causes huge destruction of life and wealth. Number 2, earthquakes are the result of volcano. The flow of lava destroys the agriculture fields. Number 4, on the sea coast, the eruption makes the fishes die. Number 5, gases which come out due to eruption cause pollution in the atmosphere. The second one, earthquake. They are tremors in the earth crust which casually happen. The earthquakes are two types, major or minor. The major earthquakes causes a great loss of life and property. What are the reasons of earthquakes? The main causes of earthquakes: volcanic eruptions, disbalance in the interior part of the earth, expansion of gases in the internal region, disintegration of rocks, explosion of bombs. What are the advantages of earthquakes? The seismic waves of earthquakes helps in the study of the scholars. Precious stones and minerals come out from the interior part of the earth. The base of inlets are formed which helps in the sea trade. What are the disadvantages of earthquakes? The main disadvantages of earthquake are the following. The roads are broken and the rail lines are twisted. The bridges are broken, the cities are converted into heaps of debris. Fire breaks out in the houses, mines, and factories. Landslides result, which are responsible for the submerging of land. These are the earthquakes, volcanoes, and the factors causing changes in the earth's surface. This is the video for you. The next video will be sent in Hindi language. Thank you.